You are watching best colorful silicone wrist strap bracelet, double color replacement, watch band for original Mi Band 2 XIAOMI Mi Band 2 wristbands. Humanized design, anti-last strong design, both positive and negative do not shoot. High toughness material motion, squeeze can also be quickly restored. High quality buckle, one piece of molded sandals look better use. IP67 international waterproof rating to achieve the professional quality comparable to the original quality. A high degree of fit, skin care health, imported TPS, environmentally friendly material, skin friendly health, comfortable to wear, skin care health, imported TPS, environmentally friendly material, skin friendly health. For XIAOMI Mi Band 12 colorful replacement wristbands, colorful 10 colors. What color are you today? So no longer late. Click the link here in description. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.